how to transfer Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency from crypto.com to Coinbase seamlessly between these two platforms. Stay tuned. First, open the crypto.com app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you your crypto balances. Here, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For this example, let's choose Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin to view more details. Next, tap on Withdraw. You'll be presented with two options, crypto and fiat. We want to transfer crypto, so select crypto. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. This is where Coinbase comes into play. So let's switch over to Coinbase to get that address. Open the Coinbase app and log in if you haven't already. On the home screen, tap on the Assets tab at the bottom. Find and select Bitcoin from your list of assets. Then tap on Receive to get your Bitcoin address. Here you'll see your Bitcoin address in a long string of letters and numbers. You can either copy this address or use the QR code. Make sure you copy it exactly. This address is crucial for a successful transfer. Now, head back to the crypto.com app, paste the copied Bitcoin address into the recipient address field. Double check to ensure it's correct. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. You can either enter the amount manually or use the available balance point. After entering the amount, you might need to select the network. For Bitcoin, this is usually straightforward, but make sure you're on the correct network. Once everything looks good, tap on Confirm to proceed. You'll be prompted to review the transaction details, and if everything is correct, you can authorize the transfer. This may involve entering your 2FA code if you have two-factor authentication enabled. After confirming the transaction will be processed, you can check the status under the transaction history or withdrawal sections in the crypto.com. Now, it might take a little bit of time for the transaction to be completed. You can monitor the transfer status on both crypto.com and Coinbase. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see the Bitcoin reflected in your Coinbase account. Congratulations, you've successfully moved your crypto. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crypto tips and tricks.